Hey everyone, it's Haley with Travel with a Flair. Today we are going to show you a deluxe balcony on the Sky Princess. If you are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe to our videos, and if you need help planning your next cruise or vacation, check out our links down below. Let's head into the room. Welcome aboard the beautiful Sky Princess. Today we're touring a deluxe balcony cabin, which is a great option on this ship. As soon as you walk in, you'll notice how bright and spacious it feels. The deluxe balcony gives a little extra room compared to the standard balconies, with a comfortable sitting area and a sofa that converts to a bed if you're traveling with a family. As you can see, the desk area here has the mini fridge, hair dryer, a little desk space if you want to get ready for your night out and about. Lots of comfortable bedding on Princess. One of the things that we always say about Princess is that the beds are definitely top tier, top 1 or 2, honestly, out of all the lines we've been on. We really appreciate the closet area being so open and wide with lots of storage. As we head into the bathroom, it is compact, but it's well designed with plenty of shelves for storage. This does have a stand-up shower as well. And of course, the main highlight is your private balcony. It's the perfect spot to enjoy morning coffee or sunset views as you sail to your next destination. Whether it's your first Princess cruise or your 10th, the deluxe balcony is worth a look. Don't forget to check out our other cruise room tour videos and port guides. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching.